Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the topic of building wealth and achieving financial independence, a common goal for many. Becoming rich isn't just about high income, it's about forming smart financial habits and making strategic decisions that will set you up for lasting wealth. Let's explore some practical steps to build a financially secure and abundant future. The first step in building wealth is to set clear financial goals and develop a plan. To know where you want to go, you first need to define what wealth means to you personally. For some, it could mean financial security; for others, it's owning assets or having passive income. Identifying specific milestones allows you to map out a financial plan, guiding how you spend, save, and invest. Start with small, manageable goals and work up, adjusting as life changes. A well-thought-out plan is the foundation for reaching your financial dreams. The second point is all about diversifying income streams. Relying solely on one income source can limit growth. Creating multiple income streams is a crucial component of wealth building. Think about it. Having additional revenue from a side business, freelancing, or investments not only increases earnings but also provides financial security. Multiple streams give you more options if one source of income is disrupted and can boost financial growth. Explore options that align with your skills and interests to find the right fit for diversifying your income. Another key aspect of becoming wealthy is to invest wisely and regularly. Investment is essential for making your money grow over time, and starting early gives it the best chance to compound. Explore options such as stocks, bonds, or real estate that fit your risk tolerance and goals. Even small, consistent contributions add up, so don't be discouraged if you're starting with limited funds. Building the habit of regular investment is more important than the amount you begin with. Remember, investing is a long game, and patience is key to seeing results. Finally, to reach financial independence, live below your means and avoid unnecessary debt. This principle might seem simple, but it's one of the hardest parts of wealth building. By spending less than you earn, you free up money for saving and investing while avoiding high-interest debt. Keeping to a budget is essential, helping you avoid lifestyle inflation, where spending rises with income. When you avoid debt, you gain more financial freedom, allowing your investments and savings to grow unimpeded. As I conclude, remember, building wealth is a journey that requires patience, smart choices, and consistency. Each of these steps will bring you closer to financial independence and long-term security. Remember, it's the small, regular efforts that compound over time. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Here's to your financial success and a prosperous future.